HSE73L is the new iBrid Orbital sender by RUPES. Hello everyone, in this video we're presenting HSE73L, which is this tool. It's an orbital sender with a backing plate that is 70 per 198 millimeter. The orbit is 3 millimeter and the speed of the tool can be changed from 7,000 to 10,000 orbits per minute. It's the typical tool that is used to remove a lot of material from a putty or from a body filler or primer, where we need to make it flat, where we need to remove all the inconsistency that there can be on a surface due to a bad application. So this tool is very good to make it flat and smooth. It's iBrid. Now, all RUPES friends know what it means. It means that there is a battery. The battery is 18 volts and 2.5 ampere hours, and it can work up to 45 millimeters, and it takes 35 millimeters to recharge. Now, 45 millimeters, of course, is a variable that depends on the speed of the tool, the grit of the sanding paper, on how much pressure it's applied on the tool, but let's say that it's an average. In this configuration with a battery, the tool can be coupled with the Green Tech filter. It's a filter that is certified, that can be worked for 8 hours without interruption. It can be when it's full, it can be unscrewed, cleaned, emptied, and then put on again. So extremely convenient. But if somebody wants a more traditional solution, then we have the power supply. This power supply connects directly the tool to the plug and makes it a classical normal sender, which is connected to the plug, and it can be connected to an external vacuum cleaner, to a turbine, to a portable dust extraction. Of course, when it's with the battery and the filter, the machine generates a self-dust extraction. It means that the motor, when it's running, creates a flow of air coming up from where the dust is created. So it means from the backing plate to the exhaust, and it will go inside the filter. The good thing with this tool is that it doesn't matter if I'm using it with the power supply or with the battery, the power remains the same and it remains very, very strong tool. Strong tool, but with a very good defect or material removal rate. It means that it removes a lot of material in a short amount of time. It's very powerful. Powerful but stable. So the vibrations that you feel are very low and stable also when you're working. Some of these tools, they tend to fall on one side. Instead, this one is extremely stable and it will help you to get a better job with a perfect quality. The battery, by the way, it's the same that we have for the other 3 HSE senders, and I mean the 5-inch 125 millimeter backing plate random orbital and the 2 orbitals 80 per 130 and the Delta. But also it's the same battery that we use for the HLR75, so the iBrid Mini. It's an extremely interesting tool. We have also decided to introduce in our range a specific format of paper. So we have a paper with the same size 70 per 200, specifically dedicated to this tool. And I think it's a very good innovation by RUPES. It's a tool that I encourage you to give it a try and to stay connected and meet you in the next video.